Yes.
Just wait a minute. I'm going to give you some more question on conversion. Just wait a minute. So have you revised all this chapter?
Yes.
Okay. So we are going for the next conversion, and that is the next conversion is your. We did this part, this part, this part. Did benzyl to toluene to benzyl alcohol. Okay. The next I'm going to give you is very easy. Ethanol to ethyl fluoride. This conversion. Very easy it is basically. That's why I started this class with a very easy topic. Easy question it is. Let me know if you will not be able to do it. Any answer, Aisha? By treating ethanol with HCl and ZnCl2 directly, you will get this fluoride. Okay, I'm going to show you. First ethanol you have. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to convert this ethanol into alkyl halide. And for alkyl halide, I'm going to react it with PCl5 or SOCl2 you can do. And you will be getting alkyl halide. After getting this, you are going to use Schwarz reaction. So in Schwarz reaction, what will happen? In Schwarz reaction, especially we prepare alkyl fluoride. So this is what you will get. Chlorine will be replaced by fluorine and AgCl is your byproduct. So this is how we get specifically alkyl fluoride from Schwarz reaction and alkyl iodide from Finkelstein reaction. Got it?
Yes.
Okay, the seventh one I'm going to give is very simple and basically as you already completed alcohol, phenol or ketone. Have you studied ketone? Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, aldehyde ketone if you have completed. Just wait a minute. Let me look at the question again. Okay, so I'm going to give you first. You need to convert bromomethane to propanone. And in propanone, which functional group is present? Both of you. Can you tell me? You are not audible clearly, basically. Yes. So please do try it. Let me know if you are able to do it or not. Will you be able to solve this, Aisha and Rabia? Aisha and Rabia. Okay, I'm going to explain. Okay, you are right. On CS3, we are reacting with what? CS3, we are reacting with Mg. It becomes CS3 MgBr. And then aldehyde CH3CHO and alcohol, you mix it. Aisha. So see, I'm going to explain CS bromoethane. I'm going to take CH3 Br. This is your bromoethane, right? In bromoethane, what you need to do, I'm going to react this with KCN. So if I'm going to react this with KCN, what you will get? You will get CH3 Cn. Basically, negative is there, positive is there, and here negative is there, positive is there. So negatively charged will go with positive, and you will get CH3Cn, and that is called acetonitrile. Its common name. Now again, now I'm going to react this with CH3MgBr. Now what will happen? You know that this is positive, this is negative, this is negative, this is positive. So it will, just wait a minute. Not like this, because we need 3 carbon in the parent chain. So what we need to do, very simple. This is triple bond, so nitrogen will be doubly bonded. Let me write it more clearly. There is CH3 and there is C triple bond N. Now what will happen? Nitrogen has negative charge and this has positive charge. So one of the bond will be broken, and you can see this will come here because negative positive attract each other. CH3C and there is CH3. Now between carbon and nitrogen there will be double bond, and nitrogen come into play. Nitrogen with nitrogen, this positive will come with this negative and it becomes MgBr. Now, after getting this, what you need to do, just do the hydrolysis. In the presence of acid, hydrolysis you are going to do, and you know what will happen in hydrolysis. This whole part will be eliminated and oxygen will come, and you will get directly CH3 C double bond O CH3. And this is what propanol. Got it? Yes or no? Please do let me know. Got it? Okay, very good. So very easy it is, and very easy it was. Let me know when you are done with this. Just wait a minute. Did I get the questions from? Okay. Both of you, let me know when you are done with this. Very good. Okay, some more conversion I'm going to give you, and then we will start the NEET questions. First, very easy questions. This is all from NCERT, and organic NCERT is very important. Benzene to diphenyl. You are going to convert this benzene to diphenyl. And I think you can do this easily. Rabia, why are you not responding? Okay, Aisha, tell me, if you are going to react, this benzene with Cl2, will this reaction takes place and you will get directly chlorobenzene? Yes or no? This is very big misconception if you are writing this. will this reaction take place? Only chlorine, if you are going to react in the presence of HNO or sunlight, that will take place with alkane, not alkene. Because this alkene, which is basically benzene, is very, very stable because it is aromatic hydrocarbon or aromatic compound. So basically here, electrophilic substitution reaction will take place in the presence of this FeCl3 and Cl2, or Br2 in the presence of FeCl3. With the help of this reagent, there will be generation of an electrophile Cl plus, and then this will attack at any position in benzene, and then you will get chlorobenzene. You cannot get chlorobenzene with the help of benzene and Cl2 alone. Are you getting my point?
Yes.
And after this, you are going to use this 2Na and sodium diether. So you know what will happen. This chlorine will be left, and there will be mirror image of this benzene. You will get something like this. Got it? So this is what diphenyl looks like. Isn't it easy? Rabia, why are you not responding? Tertiary butyl bromide 2 isobutyl bromide. First, in conversion, you should write the structure of reactant and the write the structure of the product that you require. Sir, I'm currently out. Okay, okay. So can I change the slide?
Yes.
You're not audible clearly, so I couldn't hear you. What were you saying?
No, it's okay to change the slide.
Okay, thank you, Aisha. And please do this. Then we are going to start from NCERT. Okay, no problem. Just wait. I'm going to give you some more questions and then we will discuss together all of it. Just wait a minute. Oh, these are all conversion that I'm going to give. Just do it and then I'm going to discuss it one by one. Please do it. I'll be back in a minute. Just wait. Okay, both of you. Aisha, so I'm going to explain this part. Tertiary butyl bromide to isobutyl bromide. And then you are going to practice. So you can take a screenshot. These are important questions from NCERT. So first I'm going to write the structure of tertiary butyl bromide. So tertiary butyl means 4 carbon and it should be tertiary. So C and I'm going to write Br and butyl. That means 4 carbon is there and this is your tertiary butyl bromide. And you need to go to iso, what was the name basically? Now isobutyl. Iso means you can see it is 1 degree CH3, CH3 and then there is CH2 and this is your isobutyl bromide. This is your tertiary butyl bromide and this is your isobutyl bromide. You need to go from here to here. How we are going to convert this? So very simple. I'm going to treat this with alcoholic KOH and heat. Now what will happen? This is your alpha carbon, this is your beta carbon, all are beta carbon. So we just need to remove Br and one of the hydrogen from any carbon and you will get the double bond. So what I'm going to do, CH3, I'm going to put double bond between this CH2 it becomes and CH3 it becomes. Simple it is. I just wrote this CH3 on the right hand side and removed hydrogen from there. So double bond will be in that place. Now what I'm going to do in order to make this, what I'm going to do, now I'm going to react this with HBr in the presence of peroxide. In the presence of peroxide, that means it is anti-Markovnikov. And you know what does anti-Markovnikov means? Anti-Markovnikov, that means basically this is your negative, this is your positive. So negative part will go to that carbon which has greater number of hydrogen and positive part that positive migrate to that carbon which has lesser number of hydrogen. So what will happen here? CH3, CH3 and hydrogen comes here and then there will be CH2 and then there will be Br. Isn't it easy? So
Yeah,
sometimes to make the question tough because we don't uh, do much towards the uh, common name. We don't keep it in mind the common name. Some common name is very important like isopropyl, this tertiary, secondary. These are very important. You should go through this. In 11th, you have studied this. So these names are very common. You should take care of this. Are you done with this? Let me know when you are done with this.
done, sir. Okay, I have to check the seventh one, what it was. Seventh one, you have written CH3, CH2OH, SOCl2. That will give you a CH3 after KCl. Very good, very good. You did it correctly, Aisha. What about this aniline to chlorobenzene?
Sandmir's reaction you can play, right?
Yeah.
Aisha and Ravi, I want you to please do this. You are solving this in your notebook. I got the uh, solution that you sent to admin last class, Aisha. I want you to do the same thing like the conversion in your notebook and send it back to me. I want to see uh, what you are actually doing with the conversion. Okay, because you cannot type all the conversion reactions here. It will take a lot of time, right, Aisha? And if there will be any mistake, I will be uh, checking that, then we will discuss that. And out of this, these all questions, if you're getting any doubt, you can ask me right now. So right now you are going to solve it in a very good way in your notebook and click a pic or make a PDF, send it to me. How many questions have we solved, Aisha and Rabia? First four, Aisha. What about you, Rabia? You are also. That was 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, please do the rest as well. Aisha, is there anyone that you are feeling like you cannot do that? Just look at that question and let me know.
I think the last one.
Aniline to this phenyl isocyanide.
Yeah.
So it's also you are just going on the name maybe. That's a phenyl aniline. Aniline, you know the structure is like this. This is your aniline. And isocyanide, that means you just need to remove this NH2 and made NC. That is isocyanide. Cyanide is CN. So what you need to do, very simple, you need to react this with chloroform CHCl3 in the presence of base, that is KOH, and heat you need to do. And this is called carbon-amine reaction that you will study in amine chapter, carbon and nitrogen containing compound, and this will be replaced with NC along with 3KCl or KCl plus H2O or 3H2O you can take. So this is the direct conversion. You are not able to solve only because you haven't studied this carbylamine test. Got it? That you will study in amine. Okay. Okay. Please do the rest. If any other, let. Every questions from this are done. Aisha,
Yes, sir.
that's good. So please do that. Send that after class. Going to start from here now. You can do this all questions. Rabia, are you solving all the questions? Elimination of reaction of 2-bromopentane to form pen-2-ene is beta elimination reaction followed Jatsev rule, dehydrohalogenation reaction, dehydration reaction. We have done these questions before, sorry. Yeah, then it is the right answer is D, and for this cannot be prepared, that is hapten. Okay, that's good. Thank you for reminding me. I'll just check it out. Just wait a minute. On the next. We started from NCERT. These are all the NCERT questions. NCERT questions. Now, basically, in the previous classes that we started, in that we might be done, not in this regular classes. That's good that you know. Very good. Remind me if there is anything else that is going to be repeated. Very good question it is. So it cannot be basically 100% racemization. You cannot say it is truly correct. So the answer for this question will be partially or inversion more than a retention leading to partial racemization. So basically partial racemization will be there if there will be any bulky group or something like that. So we cannot say for every reaction there will be 100% racemization. According to the reactant or the intermediate that forms, according to that the product will be there, inversion or retention, that depends upon that. Is that clear? So
Yes.
the answer will be partial racemization. let me know about this.